In this video, I will show you how to connect to ETOS for the first time. Welcome to our first video tutorial for ETOS. With ETOS, we provide an open system for monitoring, regulation, control, and the digitalization of power transformers. In this video, I will show you how to connect to ETOS for the first time. And as you will see, this is very simple. All you need is a laptop computer and a simple network cable. Now let's take a first look at ETOS. Please follow me. Let's take a look at our demonstration unit here. As you can see, it is equipped with glass panels, so you can look at the hardware of ETOS. Your unit will be equipped with metal panels instead. This is just one type of ETOS. You will receive the unit as you require it, fully customized. In the center, we have here some switches. We have a control lamp. Don't worry if it goes up red. This is absolutely normal until the unit is fully commissioned. Let's turn the unit on so we can get ready to connect our laptop computer. Now let's connect to ETOS. All you need is your laptop computer and the network cable. So let's open the cover of the service port in the middle of the unit. The other end goes into your laptop computer. Now let's set up your computer so we can get connected to ETOS. We just need to adjust the IP address of your computer. We demonstrate this on a Windows 10 system here. It is quite simple. We just need to open our network adapter and enter the IP address. To make it easier for you, ETOS has always the same IP address. So let's open the settings and type in an IP address that allows us to communicate with ETOS. 192.168.165, and you choose any other number than 1 because 1 is ETOS. The subnet mask is a standard for Windows. Let's close these windows, and at this point we can open any browser. We support all common browsers to connect to ETOS. All you need to do is type in the IP address of the system. So in this case, once again, 192.168.165.1. Press enter, and this will take you directly onto the visualization of ETOS. The home screen will display you already connected sensor signals, as for example, ambient temperature. To export the operating instructions, simply follow my steps. This is very simple. Click in the lower right corner on settings, then scroll a bit down and select export. Now you will find different files for exportation. Select the operating instructions and select the PC as the location. Now click Start Export and you will get the operating instructions as a PDF file on your computer. As you can see, it's very easy to connect to ETOS. All we needed was our network cable, switch on the unit, connect it to our laptop computer, and open the browser for the visualization. So thank you very much for watching our first video tutorial for ETOS. I hope you liked it. In the next videos, we want to show to you the hardware components of ETOS and the visualization with all the parameters. Thank you very much and goodbye.